Hi guys, my name is Emma and welcome on my YouTube channel, Speaking from the Jungle. If Donald Trump decides to create a Bitcoin reserve, it could drastically change the world of cryptocurrency. What kind of colossal effect would this have on financial markets? And what would happen to Bitcoin itself? Let's dive in and find out. And if you want in-depth information on new trends and financial markets, as well as investment strategies, subscribe to my TG channel. The link is in the description below the video. So, first of all, let's talk about the race for countries to adopt the Bitcoin reserve. With the rise of technology and growing popularity of cryptocurrencies, many countries have begun to consider creating their own reserve based on Bitcoin. If Trump initiates a creation of Bitcoin reserve, it could spark a race among other nations to follow too. And this would further legitimize Bitcoin and elevate its status as an asset capable of replacing traditional currencies and national reserves. According to the various sources, the working group established by the Trump administration is actively exploring the possibility of introducing the Bitcoin reserve. They are analyzing both technical aspects and the economic implications. They are concerned that such initiative would require new regulative framework and sparks a discussion about the future of cryptocurrencies. They are analyzing both the technical aspects and the economic implications. There are concerns that such initiative will require new regulative frameworks and ignite widespread discussions about the future of digital currencies and their role in national economies. But what is the timeline for creation? Well, the timeline for creating a Bitcoin reserve is still up in the air. Insiders suggest that if progress is made, preliminary reports could emerge as early as next year. However, any forecasts should be taken cautiously, considering the political dynamics and need for legislative approval. Creating such reserves will take time, but if everything goes according to the plan, it could become a reality in the next few years. But how will this impact Bitcoin's price? And what are the forecasts? See, the introduction of Bitcoin reserve could lead to significant price increase. The surge and demand from governments and institutional investors may create a new level of price stability. Many analysts predict that this scenario, Bitcoin's price could reach new all-time highs. However, the cryptocurrency market is unpredictable, and such changes could lead to increased volatility and short-term price fluctuations. Looking at previous instances when cryptocurrencies were integrated into financial systems, positive news usually drive higher interest and demand. Do not miss out on learning more about the current trends in the financial markets. Subscribe to my channel to stay informed. In conclusion, I want to say that the creation of the Bitcoin reserve under Donald Trump's leadership is not just another headline. It could be a historic event for the entire crypto world. It has the potential to transform how Bitcoin is perceived as an asset, reshape international financial relationships, and impact the value of cryptocurrencies. The future of banking systems may become more digital, and Bitcoin could play a central role. Stay informed, be proactive, and prepare for the changes coming to the world of finance. Thank you for watching, and I will see you back here really soon.